Hi, we're Josh and Grace, and we take marketing automation seriously. Very seriously.
We felt like the marketing automation community was missing something. Us.
Grace, I'm wearing the wrong shoes. So we created the Automation Geeks as a way for us to nerd out and talk about our favourite topic, marketing automation.
So if you're watching this, you're probably an email nerd or a markups pro.
Or my mum.
Well, whoever you are, if it sounds like your cup of tea, drop us a subscribe.
Can we eat now?
I suppose so.
It's yours?
Yeah. Oh, chips. I'm tired.
Trying so hard not to laugh. I'm so sorry.